Next, find the cube roots of, these are 4 numbers given and we have to find the cube roots. Okay, so first number 0.00373375. Okay, so how to find the, first find the cube root of 3375. 5 into 675, so find to 135, so find to 27. Now it's easy. 555 15 27 3, so 5 3 is a 15. 15 is a cube root of 3375. But there is a point over here. So how many points? 3 plus 3, 6 places. When you find a cube root, divided by 3. So 2 places. So 0.15. That is the cube root of this number. Now 1.331. This is the cube root of 11. This we must know. Directly we must learn actually. Or you can find out by this prime factorization method also. But it's better to learn up to 15. 4.913. So it is 1.7. Now 4.913, it's a bit difficult, but if I generally tell you to learn up to 15, but even if you do up to 20, that is the best, because some numbers do come like this. So 4.193 is 1.7. You can try it yourself by using the prime factorization. Then 15.625. Now try it. 5 into 3.125, then 5 into 5 into 0.625, then 5 into 5 into 5 into 0.125. Now it's easy. This becomes 15 and 0.125. 125 is a cube of what? 5. So 5 over here and 5 over here. But this 5 contains point and 3 places. So divide by 3, that is 1 place. So in cube root it will be 1 place after the point. Okay. So find 2.5, that is 2.5. So cube root of 15.625 is 2.5. Okay. Next is state true or false. First one. 3 numbers are in the ratio 1:2:3 and the sum of the cubes is 4500. Therefore the numbers are 5, 10 and